Hello, welcome to tutorial of how to upload your Clonex to Hyperfy. First of all, you have to select the world. I'm going to select, I don't know, this one with the card that looks cool. And now what we only need to do is drag and drop our VRM files into the Hyperfy website. We can use the medium quality and the low quality one. I usually use the low quality because the experience into the game is much smoother. So I don't know what happened. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, my PC is super slow. Okay, I'm going to change the avatar just to let you see how this works. Okay, so we start with this avatar and we only need to go to our folder and drag and drop the avatar. So it's here, we select equip, and now we have our Clonex into the world, so we can move, we can fly, and whatever. We can also try the medium quality, but if the world has like a lot of people, it's not going to be a smoother experience because the textures are more quality, it has more polygons, etc. But yeah, as you can see, the avatar looks crazy, man. I mean, look at this. This is a nice screenshot. I mean, crazy. But yeah, this is the tutorial.